What's up, y'all? Today we have two things to talk about. The first one, again, just like the last video, is on the main market, and the other one is on the meme coin market. So let's get started. Sit back and relax. Now, looking at the main market coins we are sitting at $480 in profit, and you can see that over the past day here on the left, we started higher than we actually closed, showing that we actually were in a dip and we did lose some profits, but not really, since as of now we're mainly just trading with the profits we have. One thing we did do is take some money from other coins. We took some profits from these Pepe, Doge, Solana, Ethereum even, and turned it into Bitcoin and Cardano. We're mainly buying up Bitcoin and Cardano because if you are unaware that Donald Trump here in the US wants to make American crypto coins tax free. Tax free, meaning that the profits you make, other than the small percentage fee you pay to the service like Coinbase or Phantom Wallet, whatever, that is all you would pay. The rest is what you get to keep, and Cardano is an American company. So Cardano potentially could be tax-free, which would shoot the price of Cardano. So one thing we've been doing is buying up some Cardano, but something else we've been doing is, while buying up Cardano, we are doing a 2-to-1 ratio between Bitcoin and Cardano. So for every 2 Bitcoin we buy, we have to buy at least 1 Cardano. A 2-to-1 dollar ratio. So for every $2 we spend, $1 has to go to Cardano. That way we can dollar cost average into Cardano and Bitcoin at the same time, because Bitcoin, I believe, will go even higher and is one of those things that I'm looking to trade and hold for a long time and slowly accumulate, so that over many years we actually do see tons of profits. Now, you can see here, for Bitcoin, we are $15, and Cardano, we are $12 in profits. Now, these are ones that I am buying, I would say, blindly, but I'm really just dollar cost averaging in. Some call it blindly, some call it DCA. I prefer to call it dollar cost averaging, meaning no matter the price, I just put in a set amount. I will take profits from my other coins and then put in a set amount into Bitcoin and Cardano, because those are ones that I believe are going to just keep going up and up. Now, speaking of keep going up, let's talk about Bitcoin. Pulling up the TradingView chart, let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin sits at $98,427. Why not $100,000? Zooming in, you can see that looking at the 4-hour time frame, we have been hitting almost the 100,000 mark for a while. Looking at the day, it's been about 4 days that we've sat at $98,000. Why can't we get the extra $2,000? It's simple. Human psychology. Human psychology is at $100,000. It's a big move. I've talked about this in the past. People are going to sell at $100,000. Now, us being the super smart traders we're trying to sell before everybody else sells. So what we're doing is people are selling at 98,000 so that they could potentially sell the top, so then it dips. But then they see it dip, oh, let me buy it so that it's at a cheaper price, and then it goes up again. So this has been happening for a while, which, because this is happening, it's pushing people away from Bitcoin. They're taking some of the profits and putting it into meme coins. Now, this is why currently we are getting a meme coin pump, even though we are not in altcoin season. And I'll show you this by looking at the chart. Okay, a good example of going into this sort of range with meme coins and then getting pumped is with Dog with Hat. Here we are. Let's look at the day time frame. So on the day time frame, look at what's happening with the coin. It went down, met our range, our support and resistance exactly where we thought it would be, and then started going up. Now, the reason this is because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a big mover in the market, so when it's doing well, people suck money out of their meme coins, throw it at Bitcoin. And vice versa. When Bitcoin is not doing well, people suck money out of Bitcoin and throw it at meme coins. Now, because Bitcoin is in sort of a range, the people who FOMO'd in and bought at $97,000, $98,000 even, are constantly seeing their account go up $1, down $1, up 1 to 2%, and then down and lose it instantly. They're not seeing big profits or even big losses, which can be frustrating because when you are not even losing money and not even making money, then you start to think, why do I even have money in this coin? And if they don't know what they're doing, then they're expecting a instant success, then they're going to pull money out and then hear about Dog with Hat and put money into that. So that's why we went down and then had this little push up. But most importantly, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame shows that we really like to stay in this area between $3.14 and $3.47. Now, this area, we can stay in it for as long as we need to, but I believe it's very important because it's just at the top of the, before WIF got added to Coinbase, this was the area of consolidation, and now we've dropped down and touched the resistance of the previous area of consolidation has now become our new support. So we are making higher highs, higher lows. Now this range is important because the longer we stay in the range, the bigger the push is going to be. So we can stay in this range for up to a couple days, weeks, even months, and then I'm predicting that the push will be up very high. So I've actually been positioning my Phantom wallet so that when it does push up, we are ready to be taking profits from that. Now, not just that, but let's look at all of our coins. Chill Guy, for example. Chill Guy is one that we bought in and it's been going down, so we sold a little bit. Now it's going up, so we bought in a little bit. It's one of those coins that, again, this is a meme coin market. So what this means is these coins are based off of memes. So looking at the day time frame, you can see we get our first green candle in a little while, which is a very good indicator that we could be going up and creating a bullish push. But in the time it took me to say that, it instantly turned red. So Chill Guy is one of those coins where the internet simply needs a little more time to adapt Chill Guy, and then Chill Guy will start to pump. Now, the meme, many people know the meme, but I've also met tons of people who have no clue who Chill Guy even is. So I believe that because it's a fairly recent meme, it just needs a little time to take off before we start seeing even more profits. But you can see that this range here, it went up and then now we're down and creating a range right in this area, which I'm hoping to hold this area of 29 cents and 40 cents, only because it looks like a strong area with lots of consolidation happening in here, and if we can hold that, that would be perfect. But let's look at our previous top mover, which is Peanut. Peanut the squirrel. Peanut the squirrel is just like any of those other coins. It's headed into a range, but the range it's headed in is this very odd, it's kind of a bearish range. So it's headed down, but it's not just going straight down. It's headed down, and then right now it's made its push because of Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin, people are taking out money, putting it into Peanut the squirrel because they had success last time, or they see it's going up. But as of now, all coins are going down. That's because it's not meme coin season yet. So if we look at our Phantom wallet, you can see that we are, let me just put in my password here real fast. Here we are. That we are at $590. So we're down $10 today. Just today we're down $10 because we had a push sold some, and then now that we've dropped down, we're down $10. Except for Chill Guy. Chill Guy is still up because he's really just a chill guy, so all he does is make us money. And Happy Cat. Chill Guy and Happy Cat are up. Now, Chill Guy is up $5, Happy Cat is up $12. So that's something we do want to be aware of, is in a market like this, take your profits when you see them. And I've said this before on the channel, I'll say it again. One thing I like to think is, if I'm debating whether or not to take the profit, I tell myself, if it disappeared right now, would I be sad? Would I miss the said profits? If the answer is yes, then I believe you should dollar cost average out. You should take those profits. Or else, when you end up losing the profits, you're going to feel sad that you didn't take the profits. And then next time you take profits too soon, and it just starts this endless circle of you don't really know what you're doing. So a good rule that I follow is dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. This is not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do with your money. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing with my money. So, to basically sum up this video, meme coins are pumping, but only for a little bit. Meme coins will not be staying up. They are actually headed in a range because this pump was very healthy for them. They pumped up, went into a range, and they're going to continue to drop down a little bit. And then once meme coin season starts, they're going to go up again. But as of now, we want to start buying meme coins. Me personally, I'm buying up meme coins so that once it does pump, we've already been buying up the bottom, so we don't have to worry about buying the top because we already bought the bottom. And some very important news for Cardano specifically is that President Donald Trump wants to make coin in America tax free. And Cardano is a big one that is in America, so you should keep your eye on it. You don't have to trade it. You do what you want with your money, but I definitely recommend keeping your eye out on Cardano so that you don't miss out on the potential profits of what's going to happen. So remember, subscribe to get a daily update on what's going on, not just on meme coins, altcoins, but also on the main coins. I look at every coin really to see how we can make money, because that is ultimately what we want to do on this channel. What we want to do is make money. So you can follow me in our money making trend, and you can continue to make money alongside of us. But again, remember, none of this is financial advice.